Have you ever wondered about how and when you might want to sell a real estate limited partnership LLC? Whether it's a collective decision to dissolve the partnership or individual members opting for a strategic exit, the process involves careful planning and execution. If you like the video, please just hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Your support allows us to create more valuable real estate content. Consider the scenario where all members decide to dissolve the partnership. This could be due to a shift in investment priorities, changes in financial goals, or the completion of a specific project. The first step is to reach a consensus among members. This could be through a vote or written agreement, depending on the operating agreement. After that, a thorough valuation of the LLC's assets is necessary. This information will aid in determining how the proceeds will be distributed among the members. To ensure a smooth process, it's vital to engage legal professionals who can guide through the legal dissolution process, which includes settling any remaining obligations and debts. Once these steps are completed, the planning for the sale of the LLC's assets or the entire entity can begin. Now, imagine a different scenario where one or more individual members wish to exit the partnership for personal or strategic reasons. The first step here is for the exiting member to communicate their intent to the other members. It is then essential to determine the fair market value of the exiting member's interest and reach a sale agreement. This might involve negotiations and possibly using a third-party appraiser to assess the value. It's common practice to offer the exiting member's interest to the remaining members first, giving them the opportunity to acquire the shares. However, if the remaining members decline or are unable to purchase the interest, the search for external buyers begins. To sum up, the process of selling a real estate limited partnership LLC involves a series of steps that depend on the specific scenario at hand. Whether it's a collective decision to dissolve the partnership or individual members choosing to exit, understanding the process can ensure a smooth transition and optimal financial outcomes. Remember, reaching a consensus, conducting a thorough valuation, engaging legal professionals, and planning the sale are key steps in the process. So, whether you're considering selling your real estate limited partnership LLC or just want to be prepared for the future, understanding these strategies and scenarios can put you on the path to success. In this scenario, imagine your limited partnership attracts interest from external investors or entities seeking strategic partnerships in the real estate market. The first step is to compile a comprehensive offering memorandum outlining the limited partnership's assets, financial performance, and potential for future growth. This document is crucial for attracting potential buyers. Next, enlist the services of experienced real estate brokers or advisors to market the limited partnership to a broader audience and identify potential buyers. Once prospective buyers express interest, engage in negotiations to determine the terms of the sale, including the purchase price, transition plans, and any contingencies. Facilitate a thorough due diligence process, allowing the buyer to assess the limited partnership's assets, liabilities, and overall financial health. For a full due diligence checklist, be sure to watch our due diligence guide for real estate investing. These videos are also on our YouTube channel. Execute the sale agreement, close the transaction, and facilitate a smooth transition of ownership to the new buyer. Key considerations: engage legal professionals well-versed in real estate transactions to ensure compliance with state laws, operating agreement provisions, and all regulatory requirements. Assess the tax implications of the sale, both for individual members and the limited partnership entity. Consult with tax experts to optimize the transaction structure. Maintain open communication and transparency throughout the sale process to foster positive relationships among members and stakeholders. The operating agreement should provide flexibility for various exit scenarios, clearly outlining the procedures for dissolution, member exits, and potential sales. Selling a real estate limited partnership LLC demands careful planning, legal guidance, and strategic decision-making. Whether driven by partnership dissolution, individual member exits, or external investor interest, navigating these scenarios with diligence and professionalism is essential for a successful outcome. Are you seeking a partner in your Twin Cities real estate ventures? We're always on the lookout for new partners. For a potential trusted, credentialed, and experienced partner in your real estate ventures, be sure to contact us. Find us at lakerrealestate.com or call or text us at 763-645-4617. We look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.